On a day known as Liberation Day, President Donald Trump just dropped a bomb.
Carnage on Wall Street.
Markets falling, tumbling.
Stocks plunging. Down, down, down.
The Nasdaq's getting crushed. Small caps are getting crushed.
This is a shock to the system.
It is ugly out there. Worse than worst case scenario.
Stocks are getting slashed and burned. $2.5 trillion vaporized.
It is estimated that the average American family will pay more than $5,000 out of their pocket to pay for these tariffs.
Economic tariffs on the entire world. The US officially launched one of the most aggressive trade policies in modern history, putting a 10% tariff on all imports across the board. China got hit with 34%, Vietnam 46%, even the European Union is facing a 20% tariff. Now the message is clear. America wants to bring production home, secure its supply chains, and assert its dominance. Now the people who support this say, this is needed to protect national security and rebuild American industries. But critics argue that we should get ready to pay higher prices, trade wars, and global economic fallout. But there might also be a twist ending to this story. Now these tariffs could be deflationary and they could cause the US economy to slow down enough to force the Fed to lower interest rates and rescue the economy, which would allow the US to refinance its debt and send the markets to the moon. Now, all of this sounds kind of crazy. There's a lot of fear and confusion out there, and I want to help explain how this will reshape everything from your portfolio to the future of the global monetary system. So here's what's going on and how this will affect you. Let's get into it. Hi, my name is Andre Jick. Hope you're doing well. Come for the finance and stay for the global reset. So we're back to tariffs again. So let me start by explaining what just happened, why it happened, the criticism for all of it, because there's a lot of good reasons to criticize it. And then I want to look at some of the theories of what could happen in the future. So first, here's what just happened. As of the day after the announcement of Liberation Day and all the tariffs were announced, the stock market was down about 10% from its peak, which is known as a correction. Now, this is interesting because just a couple weeks ago, the story was the complete opposite. Markets were really excited and they were hoping for an economic soft landing, meaning people were hoping the economy would not go into a recession, but now it looks like we just might. And it's not